Hello students, welcome back to Dr. House. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the pectoral girdle, that is also called as the sternum of pectoral girdle and the sternum of the frog. So let's start our video. So first what we are going to study here is the scapula. Okay, first we are going to study the scapula. So this is the whole bone of pectoral girdle of a frog. Okay, so this area we can see, this is called as scapula. Okay students, so this is called as scapula, and this area is called as suprascapula. Okay, after suprascapula, this area is called as glenoid cavity. Okay, this is scapula, this area is called as suprascapula, and this is glenoid cavity. Okay, after glenoid cavity we can see this bone, and that is called as, this is called as coracoid, and after coracoid we have precoracoid. This area is called as coracoid, this area is called as coracoid, and this area is called as precoracoid. This area is called as precoracoid. These are the coracoid bones. After that we have this, and this bone is called as epicoracoid. Okay, we have coracoid bone, we have precoracoid bone, and this bone area is called as epicoracoid. Okay, after epicoracoid we have this area, this is called as mesosternum, and after mesosternum we have xiphisternum. Okay, let's revise our pectoral girdle. As you can see, this is scapula, and this is called as suprascapula, and here we have the glenoid cavity. After glenoid cavity we have, okay, let me zoom a little bit more. After glenoid cavity we have coracoid, these are the coracoid bone. Then we have the precoracoid bones, and after that we have epicoracoid. This is epicoracoid. Okay, this is called as epicoracoid. After epicoracoid we have mesosternum, and the last end is xiphisternum, and here we have the clavicle. Okay, so this is the pectoral girdle of a frog, as you can see. Okay students, thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and like, share and subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Bye.